Pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.4 word problems.
Exercise 3.4, question number 2. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by the elimination method. First part, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So here what we have to find? Fraction. So we know that in fraction numerator and denominators are there. So always we will take numerator and denominator. So let us assume, see solution, let us assume let numerator equal to x and denominator equal to y. So fraction equal to x upon y. Now according to condition 1, see according to question condition 1, it is telling that if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, so x plus 1 upon y minus 1 equal to 1. So see and try to solve. You will get here x minus y equal to minus 2. It is equation number 1. Now again from condition number 2. See what is the condition number 2? It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So according to question condition number 2, it means x upon y plus 1 equals to 1 by 2. Here you will get 2x minus y equal to 1. It is equation number 2. Now we have to use elimination method. Elimination method means we have to eliminate any one variable with the help of equation 1 and 2. Equation I am writing here in short 2 minus equation 1. So what we will get? We will get here x, because 2x minus x, y and y cancelled, equal to 3. Okay, x equal to 3. Now substitute x equal to 3 in any one. See how to subtract if you don't know. So here 2x minus y equal to 1, then x minus y equal to minus 2, sign change. Look here, y and y cancel, x equal to 3. Substitute in any one and you will get the value of y. Look here, put in equation 2. So 2 into 3 minus y equal to 1. So y equal to 5. Now what is the fraction? So fraction equal to 3 upon 5. It is our answer. Second part. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? In this question, Noori is dependent on Sonu. Otherwise, here we have to find the age of Noori and Sonu. So let the present age of Noori and Sonu. Look here, solution, always take as a present age. Let present age of Noori equal to x and Sonu equal to y. So according to question condition 1, 5 years ago, it means x minus 5, because 5 years ago Noori was x minus 5 and Sonu also y minus 5, and Noori was 3 times. So multiply 3 to the Sonu's age. Open and solve it. X minus 3y equal to minus 10. It is number 1. Again, according to question condition 2, 10 years later, it means after 10 years, so Noori will be x plus 10, x plus 10, and Sonu will also y plus 10. So Noori becomes twice as old as Sonu. So multiply by 2 to the Sonu's age, y plus 10. Open and solve. You will get it is number 2. So here we have to use elimination method. Let's see how to solve. So subtract it like that. X minus 3y equal to minus 10 and x minus 2y equal to 10. So when you will subtract, sign change. So x and x cancel. Here minus y equal to minus 20. So minus and minus cancel. It means y equals to 20. Sonu's age equal to 20 years. Now you can substitute value of y in any one and you will get Noori's age. So put y equal to 20 in equation 1. So x minus 60 equal to minus 10. Okay. Put y equal to 20 in 1. This implies that x minus 60 equal to minus 10. So x equal to 50 years. This implies that Noori's age equal to 50 years. It is our answer. Third part, the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. Okay, here we have given sum of the 2-digit number is 9. It means unit place and tens place. When you will add, you will get 9. Solution. So we will suppose tens place and ones place, otherwise you can say unit place. So tens place number, let it be y and unit place x. In the question it is telling that the sum of the 2-digit number is 9. It means here we can say x plus y equals to 9. It is our equation 1. Okay. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. find the number. Now we have to reverse the order and then find the second equation. So see, the reversing by the order, again here this time it will be x and it will become y. So the number is 9 times 9 into 10y plus x equal to 2 into 10x plus y. Okay. See the question and read carefully. 9 times this number. This number means in the first condition, the number. Here you will get here the number 10y plus x. It is your original number. So 9 times the number equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the order. Now solve it. It will come 90y minus 2y. So here 88y. Okay, again minus 11x equal to 0. So this implies that we will get here, divide the whole equation by 11. So it is equation number 2. So solve by elimination method. Add equation 1 and 2, because in equation 1 x is positive and in equation 2 x is negative. Just add. This implies that, see, x plus y equals to 9 and minus x plus 8y equal to 0. Now add, x cancel. So 9y equals to 9. This implies that y equals to 1. So x minus 8y equals to 0. So x minus 8 into 1 equals to 0. So x equal to 8. So the number is, it is our fourth part. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. See the solution. So according to question, she got only 25 notes. So x plus y equal to 25, it is equation 1, and total money 2000. So 50, again according to question, 50x plus 100y equals to 2000. Okay, it is equation number 2. Now maybe you can say it is equation number 3. So solve by elimination method equation 1 and 3. Let's see how can we solve. Now x and x will be cancelled due to change in sign. You will get here minus y equal to minus 15. So minus and minus cancelled, y equal to 15. So y means 100 rupees note. So she got 100 rupees note equals to 15. So it means x equal to, directly you can write, otherwise you can write here, put in equation 1. So x equal to 10. These two is our answer. Fifth part. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Sushi paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. Solution. Let each day equal to y rupees. So according to question, just try to make the equation, try to form the equation. So according to question, x plus 4y equals to 27. Now how it is 4? Because extra days, extra means 7 minus first 3 days equal to 4. So that's why I am taking here x plus 4y equals to 27. It is equation 1. Similarly, you can find condition number 2. Subtract, then sign change, x and x cancel, 2y equals to, here we are getting 6. So this implies that y equals to 3. Now if y equals to 3, so what is x? Substitute in equation 1, x plus 4 3s are 12 equal to 27. So x equal to 27 minus 12 equal to 15 rupees. Okay, now it is the answer. So what was y? Y was the charge for each day and fixed charge is 15 rupees. Here we completed all the parts of question number 2.